Alright, one more thing, guys. One more thing. I'm going to show you how I'm putting these T-nuts in. Okay, see all these screws here? Well, those used to be rivets, huge rivets. So I couldn't really replace them because, well, long story. But anyhow, so I stick these in here like that. Squish it in. Then I go inside. Bringing my T-nuts with me. T-nuts with me. Alright. Gotta have a bunch of them. Gotta put a bunch of screws in. I don't know how many, can't remember how many I put in. So I'll just take a bunch. Handful. Alright. So then I go inside the bus here. And see the screw right there? Alright, what I do, I gotta find a place for all these other screws in my hand now. Alright, I just lightly put it on there. And then, but I got one thing I screwed up on already. I put, oh, son of a gun. That's gonna be hard to find. Or hard to get to. I screwed up because I didn't have my glue with me. This is what I'm doing, putting glue on it. And then when I come back to put them back in, put the rubber rails back on, the nuts will be glued to the inside now. I'll stick you up here for a second. Alright. So what I do is I drop everything all over the place. Alright. Alright. So what I do here is I put a little dab on each corner, right here, a little dab of glue, a little dab of do-ya, like that, alright? Then I screw it on here. And then I'll tighten it up from the outside. And do that for all of them. A little dab of do-ya. And the next one. Hope you can see this. Maybe not. Alright. Then I just stick this on here. Screw it on as tight as I can get it for now. And then I'll go out there and hopefully this will keep from moving, stay from moving, or I can just keep on going and get it on there enough like that. That'd probably do it. Anyhow, that's what I've got to do with all those screws I just put in. So I'll just set you up there. You might be able to see, I'm not sure. I think you can. Like I said, tomorrow, the next day, or whenever the rest of my screws come in, or that rubber rail is ready to go up, I just unscrew the screw on the outside. Hopefully this nut plate stays in place, or this T-nut. I'm calling it a T-nut, or a nut plate. But it stays in place, and I can mount the rubber rail. Uh-oh, that one's gonna give me problems right there, I can tell. Yes, it is. So something like that, what I'll do is I'll put a pair of vice grips on it and clamp it down, and with the weight of the vice grips it should hold it in place. It's not a perfect idea, but it does work most of the time. Let's see that came loose. You don't want to put the T-nuts in backward. I am putting them in backwards because if you put them the other way, you might have the points come through the sheet metal. You don't want that. I don't want that. Quite a few of them are not working out like I wanted to. Alright. So, here's the vice grip idea. There we go. I think you can see it there. So anyhow, I put the vice grip on here like this. Alright, and I go outside and tighten it up, and hopefully you'll see that it pulls it in. Alright, that one didn't work. I guess you can figure that out when the thing. Alright, so now, what I might have cross-threaded it, so what I'll do is I'll grab a hold of the threads here, take it back off, and see what the heck's going on. Yeah, something's wrong with that screw itself. Looks like it's a stripped out one that I put on that I screwed up yesterday. Alright, so we're going to try another one. That one didn't go on right, so I'll do this one right here. Should have looked at the screws before I put them on. Nope. You can see that one? I think you can. Yeah, you can see it. That one worked out pretty good. Even though it did spin, it did lock down.